Transform your raw footage into smooth, professional introductions with this simple Capcut PC guide on fading in videos. First, open your Capcut PC application and import the video clip you want to fade in. Drag this clip onto your main video track in the timeline. With the clip selected on the timeline, look for the Basic tab in the top right panel if it's not already open. Click on Basic to reveal the video properties. Now, we need to access the opacity settings. Scroll down within the Basic tab until you find the opacity slider. This controls the transparency of your video clip. To create a fade-in effect, we'll use keyframes. Click on the small diamond icon, which is the keyframe button, located directly to the left of the opacity slider. This will place a keyframe at the very beginning of your clip. With the first keyframe in place, drag the playhead to the very beginning of your video clip, where that first keyframe is located. Now set the opacity value to 0% using the slider. This makes the video completely transparent at this starting point, unseen. Next, move the playhead forward a few seconds into your clip, where you want the fade-in to be complete. You can do this by dragging the playhead or by using the arrow keys for precision. With the playhead at this new position, adjust the opacity slider again. This time setting it to 100%. Capcut will automatically create a second keyframe here, establishing the transition from transparent to fully visible. And that's it. When you play back your video, you'll see your clip smoothly fade in from black, creating a professional and gentle introduction to your scene. Experiment with the distance between your keyframes to control the speed and duration of your fade-in effect. A longer distance creates a slower fade, while a shorter distance results in a quicker fade. Enjoy creating seamless openings for all your video projects.